Welcome to the OCEB Fundamental Exam Preparation course. This course has been carefully structured to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of all the essential topics required to successfully pass the OCEB Fundamental Exam and, more importantly, to build a strong foundation in business process management. To help you navigate through the material effectively, the course is organized into several key modules. As you can see on the screen, these modules cover all the critical knowledge areas tested in the OCEB Fundamental Exam, starting with business goals and objectives, and progressing through business process concepts and fundamentals, business process management concepts, business motivation modeling, business process modeling concepts, business process modeling skills, and finally, process quality, governance, and metrics. I will conclude with a dedicated module on exam tips and summary to give you the final edge. To make the most of this course, I encourage you to follow the course structure by watching the video lessons in the order they are presented. Each module may also include downloadable resources to further support your learning. Crucially, after completing each module, you will find a practice quiz. These quizzes are designed to help you reinforce the concepts you have just learned and identify any areas where you might want to spend a little more time. Finally, be sure to utilize the exam tips and summary module towards the end of your preparation. Remember, you can always revisit any of the lessons as you need it to solidify your understanding. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Now that we have set the stage, let's take a look at what we will be covering in this comprehensive OCEB Fundamental Exam Preparation course. Our journey will be structured into several key modules, each designed to provide you with a thorough understanding of the topics essential for the exam. First, we will delve into business goals and objectives, exploring how they drive process design and improvement. Understanding this functional element is crucial for aligning business processes with strategy direction. Next, we will cover business process concepts and fundamentals, laying the groundwork for understanding what a business process is, its key components, and various process perspectives. This module will ensure we all have a common understanding of the basic building blocks of BPM. Following that, we will explore broader business process management concepts, examining the life cycle of business process management, different methodologies, and the organizational context in which BPM operates. This will give you a holistic view of managing processes effectively. We will then move on to business motivation modeling, where you will learn how to capture and communicate the driving forces behind business decisions and process changes using the business motivation model notation. A significant portion of the course will be dedicated to business process modeling concepts. Here, we will introduce the fundamental principles and elements of business process modeling, setting the stage for understanding BPMN. Building upon those concepts, the Business Process Modeling Skills module will focus on the practical application of business process model and notation. You will learn how to read, interpret, and create process diagrams effectively. Our penultimate module will cover process quality, governance, and metrics. In this section, we will discuss how to measure process performance, establish governance frameworks, and ensure the quality and compliance of business processes. Finally, we will dedicate a section to exam tips and summary, where we will provide you with valuable strategies for tackling the OCEB Fundamental Exam and recap the most important concepts we have covered. To reinforce your learning and help you gauge your understanding as we progress, each of these core modules will be followed by practice quizzes. These quizzes will allow you to test your knowledge and identify areas where you might need to revisit the material. By the end of this course, you will not only be well prepared to take the OCEB Fundamental Exam, but also possess a strong fundamental understanding of business process management, principles, and practices.